What's good, y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good? Just a little update on the bike build. I know you seen some pictures and little shorts on the bike build. Finally picked it up today. On to the next move of getting the enhanced inspection and getting it painted. Kind of disappointed of the process of the bike build, but all of that'll come in the reveal once the bike is all done and painted. But we're moving forward anyway. Got the bike back. It's sitting in the garage today right now, so we're gonna take it out to do the enhanced inspection. I got to get the seat done, take it out to my seat guy so he could get the seat just right. It's off, so I got to take it back out to them and get them to hook it up, and then I'll move on to the enhanced inspection and then get it painted, and then get the audio system hooked up, and we'll be good to go. Be back on the road for next riding season. So just wanted to drop in with you guys, give you a little quick update. I'm gonna head over to the lounge and put some smoke in the air right now. So till next time, smoke them if you got them.